Samsung's flagship smartphones are known to come in two processor variants. There is a Snapdragon variant that is sold in China, USA and South Korea, and then there is the Exynos variant that's sold in every other market. The upcoming Galaxy Note 20 series will follow the same trend. A tweet by Ice Universe revealed that the Galaxy Note 20 series will have the Exynos 990 processor that powers the existing Galaxy S20 series, not the rumored more powerful Exynos 992 chipset. And that's sad. Max Weinbach of XD Developer who also tweeted the same thing. This is surely a devastating news for those who will be purchasing the Exynos variant of the Galaxy Note 20 series. The Exynos 990 can't even match the performance of the 865, even though the Exynos 990 can match the peak power of Snapdragon 865, but the CPU isn't having the same level of performance after longer periods of continuous usage due to thermal throttling, and that's where the difference starts to kick in. Then Qualcomm has the best ISP too, so you will get more better photos with Snapdragon version, most noticeable in HDR processing and night shot. This means there will be even more wider gap between the Exynos version and the Snapdragon 865 Plus version. The Galaxy Note 20 series Unpacked event is scheduled for August 5, so there is that. Now, let's talk about another sad news. First, it was reported that the Snapdragon 875 will cost $250, which is around $100 more than the Snapdragon 865. And because of the price increase, Samsung Galaxy S21 or S30 will expect it to stick with the Snapdragon 865. The Snapdragon 875 will be made on 5nm process, and this would improve the performance and power efficiency, and it will supposedly come with an integrated 5G modem. Since these are significant upgrades, Qualcomm has the rights to increase the price. Good news is the Snapdragon 875 will not cost $250, but the bad news is at $220 it will still be a lot more expensive than its predecessor. The Snapdragon 875 is overkill anyway, as current high-end chips are good enough for the majority of people. And according to the source, all the Galaxy S21 or S30 variants will use the upcoming Exynos 1000 silicon. Like the Snapdragon 875, the Exynos 1000 will be a 5nm chip, and it is also expected to come with an AMD GPU. That's all good news. So while it's certainly possible the Exynos 1000 will match the performance of the 875, the Exynos 990 fiasco could prevent most consumers from taking a chance, and that's the sad part. On the other hand, if Samsung will go with the Snapdragon 875, it may result in an increase in price, and will even make the most loyal customers very unhappy. That's why it's a very hard decision for Samsung to make. Let's see what they does. Now, for a change, let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds in its full glory, thanks to EV leaks. This earbud seems to come in mystic bronze color, which was also seen in the leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. The Galaxy Buds Live will also be offered in black and white. It is being expected that the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live will be announced on July 22. The rumored price is $150 or lower, making them go head-to-head with the Apple's regular AirPods. Very cool. So, if you like this all presentation and quality contents I'm making, please hit the like button and please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.